Welcome to the Web Builder How-To video series, Edit and Add Content Pages. You can add as many pages as you want to your website. Just click on the Content button in your control panel. Here you will see a list of your existing pages on your website. For SEO purposes, you might want to add as much text as you want, but you can hide this from your website's viewers by the Read More and Read Less buttons. Your content pages will appear on your main menu. You can edit any of these pages at any time. Turn on or off the Read More button. And when you've made these changes, click Save. Editing the content is as easy as editing a Word document. Thank you for watching.